Welcome guys to another quick video. In this video, we will guide you how you can install Chromium browser on Debian 12 Bookworm. Give it a go and enjoy Chromium on Debian. Open Terminal app on your Debian. Update your Linux machine. You can install Chromium using apt as shown. Chromium is a free and open-source web browser project, primarily developed and maintained by Google. It is a widely used codebase, providing the vast majority of code for Google Chrome and many other browsers, including Microsoft Edge, Samsung Internet, and Opera. This may take a while, but it's worth downloading it. It's done. Chromium is successfully installed. You can exit Terminal and may launch it from the Applications menu. If you want to ask anything, you can comment your query. Thanks for watching. Good day.